The Oregon Performing Arts Center has a wonderful Spotlight Headliners series, and this video will walk you through how to purchase season tickets, allowing you to save 20% off of every ticket that you purchase for the season. There are two ways to access the ticket portal for season tickets. You can go to tickets just like you would individual tickets, but in this case, instead of going down to a show, you're going to purchase season tickets for the Spotlight Headliner series by clicking Passes, and then that will take you to the page where you can get tickets to all of these wonderful shows. The other way that you can access the Passes page is by going to the Spotlight Headliners tab, which shows you more information about each of the shows if you click on them, and there is a link right on the top of the page that says Season Tickets Save 20%, click here to purchase. That will open. It will ask you how many passes you want. This means how many people do you want in your group that's going to be coming to all four of our wonderful shows. Let's say that we are a family of 2 adults, 1 senior citizen, and 1 child. We'll select 4 passes and continue. And then we can choose from which night we want to see Guys on Ice, and then we need to select 4 tickets from each of these shows. So let's say we want to go to Saturday's performance of Guys on Ice. We're going to select our tickets there, and we can select different seats for each show. So maybe for this one, we want to be in the center and the middle. We'll select these 4 seats. We'll scroll down, and we will indicate that we have 2 adults, 1 senior, and 1 student. Click Add to Cart. It brings us back to this page that says we have reached our limit of 4 tickets for this show, and that we still need to select tickets for the other 3 shows because we need to select tickets from all 4 events to make it a season ticket pass. So for the Frankie Valli show, maybe we're big fans and we want to sit right up close. So we'll select our 4 seats and we'll indicate our senior and our student tickets. We'll do that with the other shows, just selecting our 4 seats and indicating that 1 is a senior, 1 is a student, and there are 2 adults. Add to cart, and then we will do that again for the 4th show. It's a very nice system because you get to choose different seats for each of the shows, even though you have a season pass to the whole series. So that's kind of cool. And we add to cart. Now that we've checked out all of that, if we scroll down, we will see that we are receiving a 20% off price for each ticket. We can delete these tickets here and then change them, or we can change the number of passes if we decide actually only 3 people are going to come, or maybe we want to add some more. But if we like our selections, we can go back to checkout, enter our first and last name, our email address, a little bit of information about us, choose whether or not we want to donate to the Performing Arts Center, enter our credit card info, hit confirm and purchase, and you will receive your tickets via email with the address that you sent there. Thank you for checking out this video on how to buy season tickets for the Spotlight Headliner series at the Oregon Performing Arts Center. We hope to see you.